down in Islam. One question is, are women allowed to select or to choose their profession on their own free will, and later on, when they are in business, are they allowed to clothe themselves with some kind of sweet suits and dressing which are fitting into their profession?
Women in Islam are allowed to choose any profession they like. They can become doctors, surgeons, they can become nurses, they can become like specialists in computers. Whatever their natural tendency is, they can follow it to the maximum extent. And Islam does not prohibit women from rising to the maximum of their potentials in any field. Only they should safeguard their chastity. And they should not wear such dress as shows off their inner beauty, which should be kept to themselves and should not be put on show like in exhibition. So that will mislead other people against them and they will be mistaken. So only this is the condition that Islam lays as the most essential condition to follow. They can rise to any height, but they should take care of their own chastity.
Frau